Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will tell you about the device specifications that you need to try the Petit Planet beta test. Petit Planet is an upcoming game from Hoyo First, and since April 21st, they have officially opened a closed beta test. And this game is a cozy style experience like that, and this game's with a cosmic theme, and where you explore cute little planets like that, and do the live simulations with relaxing environments like that. And if you want to join the beta test, you can register directly on the official website. This website, you can just open this website, this one, planet.hoyofirst.com. And now, before you sign up, make sure your device meets the recommended specs. In here, for the recommended spec, you need this one. You need this one for the recommended specs that you need to try this beta test. For PC, you need at least Windows 10 or later, and then you need the Intel i5 with or AMD Ryzen. And then for GPU, you need NVIDIA GeForce RTX or AMD Radeon, this one. And then for the RAM, you need 16 gigabytes, and you need free space until 15 gigabytes. And for the IOS, you need at least iOS 14 or later. And then device, you need at least iPhone XS. And for the RAM, you need 4 gigabytes and free space 10 gigabytes. And for the Android, at least you have Android 9 or later. And for the processor, you must have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or Dimensity 9200 or higher. And for the RAM, you need 6 gigabytes with free space 12 gigabytes, like that. So just check which device that you have and see if it meets this requirement before joining this beta test. And okay, maybe that's it for the information about device specifications that you need to try this Petit Planet beta test. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!